doing today?
All right, so this morning we're going to try a little roadside physics. I'm going to drive my car down the street at a fairly high speed, about 40 miles an hour, maybe a little more. And as I pass you, I'm going to lean on the car horn. And what I want you to do is notice, is there a difference in sound in the car horn as I'm approaching you compared to when I'm driving away from you? Because that's what we call the Doppler effect.